Hi friends! Today I'm bringing you to two Hermès locations in New York. First, let's check out the Meatpacking location. Now let's go to the Manhasset location. Now, let me share with you about the two locations. Apparently, Hermes has independent boutique and corporate boutique. Majority of the boutiques we go to in United States are certainly the corporate boutique. So in today's shopping vlog, I can tell you the Meatpacking location is corporate and the Manhasset location is independent owned. The independent owned boutique cannot ship item. They can't see your profile even if you have a profile established in other boutiques. You have to build up your profile from the ground. They cannot transfer items for you. And in order to get offered the BKC, you have to be their loyal customer and spend well enough for them to give you the offer. I would say 1-to-1 wouldn't even be enough. The great thing is they have great service, I would have to say. They have 3 security guards inside. We went in with a memo with a number. When the essay is available, the guard will use the walkie-talkie to tell the essay the next client's location. However, for a small boutique, I think it's a little bit too much. By the way, I couldn't get much video, neither picture, because it wasn't allowed. Anyhow, if you are not living nearby the location, I would recommend to shop at the corporate boutique in the United States. It definitely gives you more chance to score with things that you like. However, since they are not able to check other boutiques' inventories, the corporate boutiques also couldn't see what they have either. So sometimes, let's say your SA tells you there's nothing left in the whole United States. It doesn't apply to the independent boutiques. So I think if you get a chance to go to these like independent boutique, it's worth a try to see if they have things that you are looking for, but then your local boutique doesn't carry or doesn't have anymore. I think it's still worth a shot. So I'm glad that we're able to go there. And then so we have like a different, unique experience at these like independent boutiques. I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channels, please hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification so you won't miss any of my journey video like my unboxing videos, shopping vlog, Hermes shopping strategies, and other luxury experience. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!